Moose. The moose is a majestic herbivore native to North America's boreal forests. This comprehensive overview highlights the moose's characteristics, behavior, and ecological significance. The moose is easily recognizable due to its impressive size, long legs, and the broad, palmate antlers of the males, which can span up to 6 feet wide. Males shed their antlers each winter, regrowing larger ones in spring. Adult males can weigh as much as 1,800 pounds. Moose thrive in cold, forested environments and are exceptional swimmers, capable of diving underwater to forage for aquatic plants. Their hooves are uniquely adapted for balance, featuring dew claws that assist in swift movement. As herbivores, moose primarily consume leaves and aquatic plants during summer and rely on bark and twigs in winter. They are generally solitary creatures, coming together only during mating season or when a cow is raising her calf. Female moose typically give birth to 1 or 2 calves in the spring. Calves are remarkably precocious, able to stand and walk within hours of birth, and remain with their mother for about a year. Moose droppings vary with their diet. Summer droppings reflect a diet of easily digestible foliage, while winter droppings indicate a tougher diet. The moose also features a distinctive dewlap or bell, whose purpose remains a topic of scientific debate, but may be linked to display or temperature regulation. Dromedary. The dromedary, commonly known as the Arabian camel, is a remarkable mammal belonging to the Camelidae family. This single-humped creature is an emblem of adaptability, thriving in the harsh desert environments of Africa. The dromedary is distinguished by its singular hump, which serves as a reservoir for fat. This fat can be metabolized into energy and water during times of scarcity. Equipped with long legs and broad feet, dromedaries are designed for navigating arid terrains. Their long eyelashes and sealable nostrils provide protection against the abrasive conditions of sandstorms. A fascinating aspect of the dromedary's biology is its ability to consume up to 30 gallons of water within a mere 10 minutes, showcasing its efficiency in hydration. Historically, dromedaries have been indispensable to human societies, serving as reliable transport animals and sources of milk. Predominantly found in desert biomes across Africa, the dromedary exemplifies survival in extreme climates. Greater flamingo. The greater flamingo is the largest and most widely recognized species of flamingo. Its striking pink coloration, long stilt-like legs, and uniquely curved beak make it a captivating attraction in any zoo setting. The greater flamingo is notable for its vibrant pink plumage, which results from carotenoid pigments found in its diet of brine shrimp and algae. Interestingly, flamingos are born white and gradually develop their characteristic color as they mature. These birds exhibit a unique feeding technique by using their specialized beaks to filter small organisms from the water while keeping their heads upside down. A common sight among flamingos is their tendency to stand on one leg, a behavior believed to help conserve body heat. Zebra. The zebra is a distinctive mammal native to the African savannas. Known for their striking black and white stripes, zebras are closely related to horses and are an essential part of the savanna ecosystem. Zebras are herbivorous animals that primarily graze on grasses. Each zebra boasts a unique stripe pattern, akin to a human fingerprint, which serves multiple purposes, such as camouflage. Their stripes help them blend into the savanna environment. The patterns of zebras can confuse potential predators. The stripes may also help deter biting insects. Zebras are highly social creatures, often found living in herds. They exhibit interesting behaviors, such as sleeping while standing, which aids in their survival against predators. Nile crocodile. The Nile crocodile is a formidable apex predator native to Africa's wetlands. Renowned for its size, strength, and predatory skills, this reptile plays a crucial role in its ecosystem. A crocodile is covered in tough scales called scutes, reinforced with bony plates known as osteoderms. The Nile crocodile employs ambush tactics, remaining submerged in water to surprise unsuspecting prey. Its powerful jaws and sharp teeth are designed for seizing and dismembering, often utilizing a unique death roll maneuver to incapacitate its catch. Despite their fearsome reputation, female Nile crocodiles exhibit protective maternal instincts. They guard their nests and assist hatchlings in reaching the water. Interestingly, the gender of the hatchlings is determined by the incubation temperature of the eggs. Galapagos giant tortoise. The Galapagos giant tortoise, belonging to the Reptilia class and Testudines order, is a remarkable species endemic to the Galapagos Islands of Ecuador. Known for their impressive size and longevity, these tortoises are one of the most iconic reptiles in the world. The Galapagos giant tortoise is the largest living tortoise species, with some individuals exceeding 400 kilograms. These tortoises have extraordinarily long lifespans, often living over 100 years, with some reaching ages of 150 years or more. As herbivores, they primarily feed on grasses, leaves, and fruits found in their natural habitat. The tortoise's shell shape varies by subspecies. Dome-shaped shells are common in areas with abundant ground vegetation, while saddleback shells are adapted for reaching higher foliage in drier regions. Galapagos giant tortoises can endure long periods without food or water, capable of surviving up to a year by utilizing stored body reserves. These tortoises inhabit the diverse ecosystems of the Galapagos Islands, thriving in scrub biomes that offer a variety of vegetation suited to their dietary needs. Red kangaroo. The red kangaroo is the largest marsupial and land mammal native to Australia, known for its impressive size and unique adaptations to arid environments. Male kangaroos are significantly larger than females. Male kangaroos typically have reddish-brown fur, while females sport a blue-gray coat, equipped with powerful hind legs for efficient hopping and a long, muscular tail for balance. Kangaroos are found primarily in Australia's scrub biomes. Kangaroos are herbivorous, primarily consuming grasses and shrubs. They can survive long periods without water by deriving moisture from their food. Kangaroos live in groups known as mobs, troops, or herds, with size varying based on food and water availability. Kangaroos largely nocturnal or crepuscular, active during cooler parts of the day to avoid extreme heat. Baby kangaroos are called joeys, born small and undeveloped. They crawl into their mother's pouch to continue developing for several months. Red kangaroos utilize powerful kicks to defend themselves against threats. Ostrich. The ostrich is the largest and heaviest living bird native to the African savannas. This flightless bird is renowned for its impressive speed and unique physical characteristics. The ostrich stands out as the world's largest bird, with notable weight that contributes to its status. Males are easily identified by their striking black and white plumage, while females exhibit a more subdued brown coloration. They possess long necks, small heads, and large eyes, enhancing their visibility in the savanna landscape. Ostriches found primarily in Africa. Ostriches thrive in savanna biomes where they can roam freely. These birds typically live in nomadic groups ranging from 5 to 50 individuals, often seen alongside grazing animals like zebras and antelopes. Ostriches primarily consume a variety of plants, seeds, and fruits, showcasing their herbivorous diet. They lay the largest eggs of any land animal, with each egg weighing up to 3 pounds, equivalent to about 2 dozen chicken eggs. With powerful legs that allow them to run at speeds up to 45 miles per hour, ostriches can cover over 10 feet in a single stride. Their strong kicks are incredibly powerful and can be lethal, capable of killing predators such as lions or even humans if threatened. Contrary to popular belief, ostriches do not bury their heads in sand. Instead, they may lie down and stretch their necks along the ground to evade predators or dig shallow nests for their eggs. Giant sable antelope. The giant sable antelope, a critically endangered subspecies of the sable antelope, is a striking and regal animal native to Angola. With its glossy black coat in males and rich reddish-brown in females, this antelope is not only a symbol of its homeland, but also a captivating addition to any zoo. Males feature a dark coat and possess long, similar-shaped horns that can exceed 5 feet in length. Females are characterized by their reddish-brown fur and contrasting white facial markings. Antelopes exclusively found in Angola within the African savanna biome. These antelopes are social animals that typically live in herds. Dominant males exhibit territorial behavior, showcasing their impressive horns as part of their displays. As a critically endangered species, the giant sable antelope faces significant threats to its survival, making conservation efforts crucial for its preservation. Komodo dragon. The Komodo dragon is the largest living species of lizard native to the Indonesian islands. This apex predator is renowned for its impressive size, unique hunting abilities, and fascinating reproductive methods. Komodo dragons are up to 10 feet, over 300 pounds, and can run at speeds of up to 12 miles per hour over short distances. The Komodo dragon possesses a powerful bite that combines venom and bacteria, making it a formidable hunter. Its venom acts as a hemotoxin, inhibiting blood clotting and causing shock and prey. Komodo dragons can be found on the Indonesian islands of Komodo, Rinca, Flores, Gili Matang, and Padar. They prefer scrub environments that provide suitable conditions for hunting and nesting. Female Komodo dragons exhibit parthenogenesis, allowing them to lay fertile eggs and produce offspring without mating with males. These lizards are proficient swimmers, capable of diving to depths of 15 feet and often swimming between islands in their habitat. Cheetah. The cheetah is a remarkable mammal belonging to the order Carnivora and the family Felidae. Renowned for its exceptional speed and unique physical characteristics, the cheetah is an iconic species found primarily in the savanna regions of Africa. The cheetah features a slender body and long legs, allowing for incredible agility and speed. Its tan coat is adorned with distinctive black spots, complemented by unique black tear tracks that run from the corners of its eyes down its nose. These markings not only enhance its appearance, but are also believed to help reduce glare from sunlight, improving vision during hunts. Cheetahs are celebrated as the fastest land animals, capable of reaching speeds up to 70 miles per hour in short bursts. This speed is vital for their hunting strategy. Unlike most felines, cheetahs possess non-retractable claws that function like athletic spikes, providing enhanced grip while sprinting. Cheetahs thrive in the savanna biome of Africa, where their physical adaptations enable them to hunt effectively and maintain their status as apex predators within their ecosystem. Maasai giraffe. The Maasai giraffe, a remarkable subspecies of giraffe, stands as the tallest land animal in the world. This majestic creature is native to the savannas and woodlands of East Africa, specifically in regions of Kenya and Tanzania. Notable for their long necks and legs, Maasai giraffes exhibit distinctive jagged, star-shaped spots unique to each individual. Males can reach heights of up to 18 feet. They possess bony outgrowths known as ossicones, which are covered in skin and hair. A group of giraffes is referred to as a tower. These animals sleep for less than 2 hours each day, often taking short naps. Giraffes primarily feeding on acacia leaves. They can consume moisture from their food, allowing them to drink water only every few days. Their hearts weigh about 25 pounds and are adapted to pump blood at high pressure to supply their brains. Despite their size, Maasai giraffes can run at speeds of up to 35 miles per hour over short distances. Due to their long necks, they must splay their legs or kneel to reach the ground for drinking. Pygmy hippopotamus. The pygmy hippopotamus is a unique and fascinating mammal. This small, semi-aquatic creature is indigenous to the lush forests and swamps of West Africa. Significantly smaller than the common hippopotamus, the pygmy hippopotamus is characterized by smooth, dark skin, a rounded head, and relatively longer legs. Possesses glands that secrete a pinkish, oily substance, often referred to as blood sweat, which helps moisturize its skin and protect against sunburn and infections. Hippos prefers wetland biomes, thriving in dense vegetation. Hippos typically solitary or found in small pairs. Unlike the more social common hippopotamus, they are nocturnal foragers, emerging at night to feed on leaves, shoots, and fruits. Pygmy hippos are adept swimmers, capable of holding their breath underwater for several minutes, which enhances their survival in their natural habitat. Lion. The lion is a majestic mammal belonging to the Felidae family and the Carnivora order. Known as the king of the beasts, this tawny-colored big cat is primarily found in the savannas of Africa. The lion is the second largest living cat species, following the tiger. Males are easily recognized by their impressive manes, which symbolize their status within pride dynamics. Lions live in groups called prides, typically consisting of 15 or more members. Female lions are responsible for hunting and rearing cubs, while males defend the pride against threats. As apex predators, they primarily hunt large ungulates such as wildebeest, zebra, and buffalo, capable of reaching speeds of up to 50 miles per hour over short distances. The lion's roar is a powerful vocalization that can be heard by humans from over 5 miles away, serving as both a territorial claim and a social signal. Lions are native to the African savanna biome. currently classified as vulnerable. Lions face threats from habitat loss and human-wildlife conflict, highlighting the need for conservation efforts. Despite their fierce reputation as hunters, lions spend a significant portion of their day, up to 20 hours, resting or sleeping to conserve energy. Gray wolf. The gray wolf is a large, intelligent carnivore belonging to the family Canidae. Renowned for its powerful physique and keen senses, this apex predator is found primarily in the boreal forests of North America. The gray wolf has a robust bill with a coat that can vary in color from gray to white, black, or brown. The tracks of a gray wolf resemble those of a domestic dog, but are significantly larger. Gray wolves live in social groups called packs, typically consisting of extended family members. Each pack is led by an alpha male and female who are the primary breeders. Wolves communicate through body language, particularly using their tails to express emotions. They also howl to maintain pack cohesion and deter other wolves. As carnivores, gray wolves primarily hunt large hoofed animals such as deer, elk, bison, and moose, but they will also consume smaller prey like beavers and rabbits. Equipped with an extraordinary sense of smell, approximately 100 times more acute than that of humans, and excellent hearing, wolves can detect and track prey over long distances. They are built for endurance, capable of running at speeds up to 40 miles per hour for short bursts and covering over 50 miles in a single day. California sea lion. The California sea lion is a captivating marine mammal celebrated for its intelligence, sociability, and playful demeanor. Found along the Pacific coast of North America, these creatures are a prominent feature of marine ecosystems, showcasing remarkable adaptations for life in the water. Adult males are significantly larger and more robust than females, who are smaller and more slender. Capable of reaching speeds up to 25 miles per hour, California sea lions outpace most boats, which typically cruise at 9 to 15 knots. Equipped with sensitive whiskers that aid in prey detection and navigation in murky waters. Sea lions lives in a habitat from southeastern Alaska to the Baja California Peninsula. California sea lions primarily feed on fish and squid. They utilize their exceptional eyesight and hearing to hunt effectively underwater. Remarkably, they can hold their breath for up to 10 minutes and dive to depths nearing 900 feet while foraging. Highly trainable due to their intelligence, California sea lions are often featured in marine shows. They are known for their distinctive barking sounds, which they produce both above and below water. Their large front flippers serve as their main source of propulsion in water, while hind flippers can be rotated forward for movement on land. Polar bear. The polar bear is a prominent mammal within the family Ursidae and is classified under the order Carnivora. This majestic predator is emblematic of the Arctic environment, showcasing remarkable adaptations that enable it to thrive in one of the planet's harshest climates. The polar bear boasts a thick layer of blubber and dense white fur, providing exceptional insulation against frigid temperatures. Interestingly, beneath this white coat, its skin is black, which aids in heat absorption from sunlight. Equipped with large paws that function like snowshoes, these bears can efficiently distribute their weight on soft snow and ice. Additionally, their powerful limbs serve as effective paddles, making them excellent swimmers. Polar bears predominantly inhabit the Arctic region, specifically the tundra biome. As marine mammals, they spend a significant portion of their lives on the sea ice of the Arctic Ocean. Their diet primarily consists of seals and other marine life, which they adeptly hunt. Black rhinoceros. The black rhinoceros is a large herbivorous mammal indigenous to eastern and southern Africa. Despite its name, this species typically exhibits a coloration that ranges from gray to brown, rather than black. The black rhinoceros is notable for its two distinctive horns. It features a prehensile hooked upper lip, which is adapted for grasping leaves, shoots, and fruit. While they possess relatively poor eyesight, black rhinos compensate with excellent hearing and a keen sense of smell, essential for detecting predators and other rhinos. These animals are primarily solitary, preferring to roam alone in their savanna habitat. Despite their size, black rhinos are surprisingly agile, capable of running at speeds up to 55 kilometers per hour. The black rhinoceros is critically endangered, primarily due to poaching driven by the high demand for their horns. Black panther. The black panther, a captivating and powerful large cat, is a prominent feature in the tropical rainforest biome. The black panther is distinguished by its sleek, glossy, all-black fur, a result of a genetic mutation known as melanism. While its dark coat may appear uniform, the underlying rosette patterns typical of leopards or jaguars can be observed in certain lighting conditions. The black panther is a solitary predator, adept at hunting and perfectly camouflaged within its dense rainforest habitat. Renowned for their climbing skills, these panthers often rest in trees and may hoist their prey into branches to protect it from other predators. As apex predators, they play a crucial role in maintaining ecological balance by regulating prey populations. Wolverine. The wolverine is a remarkable carnivore belonging to the weasel family. Often mistaken for a small bear due to its stout and muscular build, the wolverine is known for its ferocity and strength, making it a formidable predator in its boreal forest habitat across North America. The wolverine has dark brown fur with a lighter stripe along its sides. Bushy tail. Resembles a small bear, but is significantly smaller. The wolverine has strong jaws, semi-retractable claws. The wolverine predominantly found in North America and thrives in boreal forests, often making dens under rocks or in snow caves during winter. Wolverines are carnivorous, known for a voracious appetite, capable of hunting large prey, including caribou and also scavenges carrion, and highly adept at taking down prey much larger than itself, and can compete with larger predators like wolves and bears. Wolverines are considered rare in the United States, with limited populations. Their elusive nature makes them difficult to spot, but their tracks can often be found in the snow surrounding their dens. Chimpanzee. The chimpanzee, classified under the class Mammalia and order Primates, is a highly intelligent and social great ape native to the tropical rainforests of Africa. Known for their complex behaviors and strong family bonds, chimpanzees play a vital role in their ecosystems. Chimpanzees have pink or black faces, long black hair and no tail, and is also adapted for brachiation with long arms and shorter legs. Chimpanzees primarily found in the tropical rainforests of Africa. Chimpanzees live in large communities or troops that can range from 15 to 150 members. They exhibit complex social interactions and are capable of learning sign language, showcasing their intelligence. As omnivores, their diet includes fruits, leaves, insects, and occasionally small mammals. Chimpanzees are one of the few animal species known to use tools, utilizing sticks to extract insects and stones to crack nuts. Each evening, they construct new nests high in trees using branches and leaves for sleeping. Grizzly bear. The grizzly bear is a formidable North American mammal belonging to the family Ursidae. This apex predator is characterized by its impressive size, distinctive silver-tipped fur, and notable shoulder hump. Grizzly bears thrive in diverse environments, showcasing remarkable adaptability to their surroundings. Bears have grizzle on its fur appearance with white or silver tips, especially prominent on the back and shoulders. The grizzly bear have a muscular hump between the shoulders, large paws with long claws, and it is one of North America's largest predators. Grizzly bears are solitary creatures that require expansive territories for foraging. Their diet is omnivorous and includes berries, roots, fungi, deer hairs, moose, and a particular fondness for honey. During summer and fall, they consume substantial food to prepare for hibernation in winter. Female grizzly bears give birth to 1 to 3 cubs during winter hibernation. The cubs remain with their mother for 2 to 3 years, acquiring essential survival skills before becoming independent. Despite their size, grizzly bears can run at speeds of up to 35 miles per hour over short distances. They are adept climbers and can stand on hind legs for a better view. During winter months, they enter hibernation to conserve energy until spring. Spanish lynx. The Spanish lynx is one of the world's most endangered feline species. Recognizable by its unique ear tufts and ruff, this medium-sized carnivore is a vital part of the Iberian Peninsula's ecosystem, primarily hunting rabbits in temperate forests. The lynx has distinct features including prominent ear tufts, beard-like ruff that grows large with age, especially in males, shorter tail compared to the Eurasian lynx, and a strikingly spotted coat. They native to the Iberian Peninsula, encompassing parts of Spain and Portugal. This animal primarily feeds on European rabbits. An adult lynx can consume up to 1 rabbit daily. The lynx is a nocturnal predator that relies on stealth and agility to catch prey, often lying in wait during the day. The Spanish lynx faces critical endangerment due to habitat loss and a significant decline in rabbit populations. Conservation efforts are essential for its survival, as it has previously been on the brink of extinction. Dolphins are intelligent and social marine mammals belonging to the family Delphinidae. Renowned for a playful nature and distinctive appearance, they inhabit temperate and tropical oceans worldwide, often residing in coastal waters. Dolphins possess a complex communication system that includes clicks, whistles, and body language, showcasing their advanced cognitive abilities. Utilizing echolocation, dolphins navigate their environment, hunt for food, and locate other dolphins with remarkable precision. These powerful swimmers can hold their breath for up to 10 minutes and are known for their acrobatic displays, often leaping high out of water. Dolphins are highly social animals that engage in playful behaviors, reinforcing bonds within their pods. Unique among mammals, dolphins can rest one hemisphere of their brain at a time while remaining conscious, allowing them to breathe and stay alert to potential threats. Dolphins thrive in saltwater environments across the globe, primarily in coastal regions where they can easily access food sources and interact with other marine life. African elephant. The African elephant stands as the largest land animal on Earth, characterized by its immense size, large ears, and distinctive trunk. These magnificent creatures are not only remarkable for their physical attributes, but also for their complex social structures and ecological significance. The African elephant is known for its vast size and unique features, including large ears that help regulate body temperature. An extraordinary tool comprised over 40,000 muscles. The trunk serves multiple purposes, such as breathing, smelling, touching, grasping, and vocalizing. African elephants live in matriarchal herds, showcasing strong social bonds and intelligence. They utilize a diverse range of vocalizations, including infrasound that can travel long distances, enabling them to communicate effectively across vast savannas. African elephants play a crucial role in maintaining the health of their ecosystems. Their activities help shape the landscape and promote biodiversity. Despite their importance, African elephants face significant threats from habitat loss and poaching, which jeopardizes their survival and the ecological balance they help maintain. Orangutan. The orangutan is a remarkable species of great ape characterized by its intelligence and unique physical traits. Native to the tropical rainforests of Asia, these creatures are a vital part of their ecosystem and are known for their distinctive long, reddish-brown fur and impressive arm span. Orangutans are the largest tree-dwelling mammals, with an arm span that can reach up to 7 feet, facilitating their adept movement through the forest canopy. Their long, reddish-brown fur not only distinguishes them visually, but also plays a role in their adaptation to the humid rainforest environment. Found primarily in the tropical rainforests of Asia, orangutans are highly arboreal, spending most of their lives in trees. Each night, they construct a new nest from leaves and branches high in the trees to sleep in, showcasing their resourcefulness and adaptability. The term orangutan translates to person of the forest in Malay, reflecting their deep connection to their natural habitat and the cultural significance they hold within local communities. Emperor penguin. The emperor penguin is the largest species of penguin, renowned for its striking appearance and remarkable adaptations to the extreme Antarctic environment. This penguin, characterized by a striking black and white coat, with distinctive golden-orange ear patches and a pale yellow breast, and was the largest of all penguin species. Emperor penguins native to Antarctica, thriving in the tundra biome, and highly social birds that engage in communal behaviors, including huddling for warmth during harsh winters. Notable for having the longest breeding cycle among birds. Males incubate a single egg on their feet for over 2 months during the frigid winter months without food. To combat extreme temperatures, emperor penguins form large groups, rotating positions to share warmth effectively. The penguins' diet primarily consists of fish, squid, and krill. Known for their impressive diving capabilities, they can reach depths exceeding 500 meters and hold their breath for up to 20 minutes. Sea otter. The sea otter is a remarkable marine mammal belonging to the family Mustelidae, renowned for its playful nature and intelligence. This species plays a vital role in maintaining the health of kelp forest ecosystems along the coasts of North America. The sea otter possesses the densest fur of any animal, with up to 1 million hairs per square inch, providing insulation against cold ocean waters. As a keystone species, sea otters help regulate the population of sea urchins, preventing overgrazing of kelp forests and ensuring ecosystem balance. Equipped with paddle-shaped feet, sea otters are adept swimmers, capable of skillfully navigating their aquatic environment. Sea otters exhibit unique behaviors, such as using rocks as tools to crack open shellfish, showcasing their intelligence. Mother sea otters carry their pups on their fronts while floating on their backs, demonstrating strong maternal instincts to prevent drifting apart while resting or sleeping. Sea otters often hold hands with one another. An adult sea otter has a high metabolism and requires an enormous daily intake of food, consuming up to 25% of its body weight in shellfish and other invertebrates. Koala. The koala, an iconic marsupial native to Australia, is renowned for its distinctive appearance and specialized lifestyle. This synopsis explores the key characteristics, habitat, diet, and reproductive habits of the koala, shedding light on its unique adaptations and ecological significance. The koala had a large head and fluffy ears, robust, tailless body measuring approximately 28 to 32 inches in length, and unique fingerprints similar to humans. Koalas are exclusively found in Australia and characterized by an abundance of eucalyptus trees, which provide the primary food source for koalas. Koalas have a highly specialized diet consisting solely of eucalyptus leaves, which are toxic to most other animals. This diet requires them to conserve energy, leading to their remarkable ability to sleep up to 20 hours a day. Koalas possess 2 opposable thumbs on their front paws to effectively grip tree branches. Koalas give birth to underdeveloped young known as joeys. After birth, joeys continue their development inside their mother's pouch for several months, receiving nourishment and protection. American beaver. The American beaver is a remarkable semi-aquatic rodent native to North America, recognized for its exceptional engineering abilities and significant ecological impact. The American beaver is the largest rodent in North America, weighing up to 65 pounds. It features a distinctive large, flat, scaly tail used for swimming and communication. Its orange-colored incisor teeth are continuously growing and self-sharpening, ideal for gnawing through wood. Beavers primarily inhabit wetlands across the northern and central regions of the United States and Canada. They thrive in rivers and streams where they construct intricate dams and lodges. Beavers are primarily nocturnal, engaging in most of their activities at night. Their diet consists mainly of bark, leaves, twigs, and various aquatic plants found during their daytime swims. Equipped with webbed hind feet for powerful propulsion, beavers are adept swimmers capable of remaining submerged for up to 15 minutes. A transparent third eyelid functions like goggles, enhancing their underwater vision. Beavers play a crucial role in shaping their wetland environments through dam construction, which creates habitats for various species and helps regulate water flow. Their activities profoundly influence local ecosystems, making them vital contributors to biodiversity. Mountain gorilla. The mountain gorilla is a large and powerful ape characterized by its thick, dark fur, which provides insulation in its cold, high-altitude forest habitat. Adult males, known as silverbacks, can exceed 400 pounds and are distinguished by a prominent saddle of silver hair on their backs. Mountain gorillas are social animals that form tight-knit family groups led by a dominant silverback. These groups exhibit strong familial bonds, with a silverback playing a crucial role in protecting and guiding the family. Despite their imposing size, mountain gorillas are generally gentle and shy. They exhibit aggression primarily when defending their territory or family. Their diet is predominantly herbivorous, consisting mainly of leaves, stems, roots, and bamboo shoots, which they forage for throughout the day. Each mountain gorilla possesses distinct nose prints, akin to human fingerprints, adding to their individuality within the species. This species is critically endangered, necessitating specific habitat conditions and ample space for their survival in the wild and in conservation efforts. Giant panda. The giant panda is a unique bear species native to the mountainous regions of central China. Renowned for its striking black and white fur, this mammal symbolizes wildlife conservation efforts globally. Giant pandas thrive in cool, humid bamboo forests, utilizing their thick, woolly fur for warmth. Their coloration aids in camouflage within snowy landscapes and dense bamboo groves. Pandas primarily bamboo, consuming 22 to 44 pounds daily due to its low nutritional value. Generally calm, giant pandas are powerful animals with strong jaws and teeth adapted for crushing bamboo. They spend a significant portion of their day sleeping. The giant panda possesses a pseudo-thumb, an enlarged wrist bone that allows for dexterous manipulation of bamboo. Born tiny and helpless, panda cubs weigh only 3 to 5 ounces at birth, which is approximately 1/900th of their mother's weight. They are pink, blind, and initially covered in sparse white fur. Despite their iconic status and conservation efforts, giant pandas face challenges due to the limited availability of bamboo forests, which impacts their survival and habitat stability. Saber-toothed cat. The saber-toothed cat is a formidable prehistoric predator that roamed North and South America during the Ice Age, renowned for its distinctive elongated canine teeth. This species represents a unique evolutionary branch of the Felidae family, distinct from modern true cats. The most striking feature of the saber-toothed cat is its massive canines, which grow up to 7 inches in length. Saber-toothed cats were robustly built, making them powerful ambush hunters. The saber-toothed cat primarily preyed on large herbivores, including bison, camels, and even young mammoths. Their hunting strategy involved ambushing their prey, utilizing their strength and specialized teeth for a precise killing bite. Fossil evidence indicates that saber-toothed cats may have lived in social groups, similar to modern lions, suggesting a potential for cooperative hunting or social interactions. The saber-toothed cat thrived in various biomes, including tundra, forests, and grasslands across its geographical range. Unicorn. The unicorn is a mythical mammal belonging to the order Perissodactyla and the family Equidae. This enchanting creature is characterized by its striking white coat and a singular, spiraling horn known as an alicorn, which is attributed with magical healing and purifying properties. Unicorns live in the remote alpine forests and meadows in the alpine regions, often in areas untouched by human activity. The unicorn is revered for its beauty and grace, embodying purity and enchantment. Traditionally considered wild and untamable, it is said that only those with a pure heart can approach these majestic beings. The legendary status of the unicorn makes it one of the most coveted and rare animals, sought after for its mythical allure and supposed magical abilities. Its presence in folklore symbolizes hope, healing, and enduring connection between nature and the mystical. Yeti. The Yeti, also known as the abominable snowman, is a legendary creature believed to inhabit the frigid landscapes of the Himalayan mountains. This large, bipedal mammal is noted for its thick white or brownish-gray fur, which enables it to thrive in extreme cold conditions. The Yeti is a large creature resembling an ape, covered in dense fur, adapted for survival in tundra biomes. Known for incredible strength and a mysterious nature, contributing to its legendary status. The Yeti has been a part of local folklore for centuries, with numerous sightings reported by both residents and explorers in the Himalayan region. Despite extensive expeditions aimed at uncovering the truth behind the creature, no concrete scientific evidence has confirmed its existence, thus categorizing it as a cryptid. The Yeti remains one of the most popular and highly rated exhibit animals in zoos worldwide, drawing massive crowds eager to learn more about this mythical being and its place in cultural lore. Triceratops. The Triceratops is a remarkable herbivorous dinosaur that roamed the boreal forests of North America during the late Cretaceous period. Characterized by its distinctive 3 facial horns and large bony frill, this dinosaur is a prominent figure in paleontological studies. Adult Triceratops could reach lengths of up to 9 meters and weigh over 12 tons, comparable to the size of an elephant. The name Triceratops translates to 3-horned face, highlighting its 2 long brow horns and a shorter nose horn. Its robust head frills serve both protective and social purposes. As a herbivore, the Triceratops utilized its strong, parrot-like beak to feed on tough vegetation, demonstrating its adaptation to the ecological demands of its environment. Despite its formidable appearance, with sharp plates on its head making it a fierce opponent, the Triceratops primarily relied on its defenses against predators such as the Tyrannosaurus rex. The Triceratops played a significant role in its ecosystem, both as a prey species for large carnivores and as a consumer of plant life. influencing vegetation dynamics within its habitat. The display of horns and frills may have also contributed to social interactions among Triceratops individuals.